Hello, everyone. We are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and we got the Eureka PowerSpeed upright vacuum that we got off Amazon that we're gonna try out and see how it works. Um, this is just an unboxing review, and we'll probably turn it on. You can see how loud it is. I'm not gonna do a review of it cleaning up anything right now because I don't have anything to really clean up. But let's unbox it and see what's inside of it and go from there. All right. All right. So we open it up and then we got the accessories that are on the top. You got your skinny one right here. That's for crevices and stuff like that. We got a crevice tool right here. Then we got the brush tool that's right here. And then we got the upholstery, whatever you want to call it, tool right here, is we have that as well. So that's all right here is what we have, as you can see. And those are those three that are on the top. Then I don't know what this is. Maybe some kind of key or something like that. I'm not even sure. Oh, this looks like this is to put the wire, to put this on to wrap the wire around. I think that's what that is, okay? Alright, so it pulls out just like that. That's how it pulls out. Up, fell over. Let's take off the plastic. Okay. Take off the cardboard. Okay, so we took off the plastic, took off the cardboard. Here's the tubing. Looks like this just snaps in right here. Pretty simple, I would think. So that's it. That snaps in just like that. That looks really simple. And then we got the tubing right here, which I'm not sure how it goes. I think it goes like this. Yep, it goes like this. So this snaps in like this. That snaps in just like that, really simple. This goes over, goes right in here. And that's it, pretty simple. And it goes over and it goes in right like that. It's very, very simple. Cool design. The hose looks a little cheap, but like I said, this is only a $50, $60 vacuum, so what can you expect from that? So that's pretty much what you can see what's up with that. And this is how it's going to go. Now you're going to put this here, put the wire, I'm going to put the wire thing on that holds the wire in the air, attached to it. So yeah, it did come with the instruction manual. This is the instruction manual right here. I didn't have to look at the instruction manual to put it together, though. As you can see, I put that together pretty quickly. I'm just going to look about the cord hook. So the cord we're going to wrap up like this, see what it looks like. Alright, that's pretty much how it goes. Just like that. And then the tools get put on like this. That's it. And that's all the accessories that get put on. That's how simple it is to put this thing on. So that's kind of what it looks like. We're going to turn this thing on really quick, see how loud it is, so you guys have an idea. There's a hole right here. I don't know what this hole is about. Oh, it's for hooking this up. Hello, what an idiot I am. It's for hooking this up. So I'm going to test that out. We're going to see what that looks like as well. We'll see how loud it is, suck up some stuff off the floor. And we'll check out how powerful it is real quick, or how loud it is what you can see. So let's get the cord. This does turn left or right, is what it says, to get the cord off. So you can turn that left or right to get the cord off if you want to get it off a little bit quicker. Alright, so we're going to set this up as if we're going to use the accessory on the top, okay? So I'm just going to pull this out like this, okay? Then we're going to pull this out like so, put this in. It locks in right here on the left, okay? Then we're going to, I guess we could just use this one, the accessory tool. Just goes in just like that, okay? And now we're going to turn this thing on and see what it's about. And now you can see how loud it's going to be, all right? Alright, so that's pretty much how it looked, how it went on. That's how loud you can expect it to be. I thought it was pretty cool. Had to empty it out. It looks like there's an unlocking button right here to pull this out. And that's it. And then you're going to unlock it. And then all you're going to do is open this up inside your garbage pail right here. Open this up. Thing's going to open up at the bottom, and then you can just clean it out like that. It's kind of got a similar design to all the vacuums. There's a rubber gasket here that sucks in like that. It's got a filter up at the top. It's kind of similar to that kind of stuff. So, you know, I guess it is what it is. So that's kind of what it looks like. Let's put this thing back on. Locks back on like that. Then on the bottom, as you can see, we have low carpet, bare floor, or high carpet. I don't really use that. I don't really use this that much, so I have no idea what to tell you about this because I mostly have hardwood floors every time we use it. We don't really use it for carpet like we used to, so I can't tell you like that. Like maybe on small low carpet or runners and stuff like that, and that's about it. So, all right, so that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I put up posts about other things that I review, of other things that we get in our house to help you guys out with your decision making. And that's it. So everyone be safe. Have a good one. I'm out. Bye-bye.